Up for sale, 1976 Corvette. I'm gonna walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 76 Corvette, finished in maroon, black leather interior, 350 roller motor, automatic, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, T-tops. And as always, I'm going to go around it, point out anything I do see, everything I do know about it, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So, of course, we'll start here in the front as always. And it just has such a great look. I do love the black stripe down the hood. Just, it breaks up the color nicely. And then I like the custom stripe down the side that fades into the center of the door. Obviously not a stock color. Really nice choice. The black stripes, again, complement the black interior with the leather seats. Rally wheels, again, great choice. But the paint is beautiful. It shines like something else. And it's a deep maroon color. But let's focus here. I mean, you can see there's a little blemish here on the hood. Well, not the hood, the front nose there. I know there's another little guy right here that you can see. But let's look here. You know, fitment of the headlight doors, both of which go up and down as they should. The nose looks great as well. You can see a couple little nicks right below that, the grill area there. Actually, another one right there as well. And then the only thing that I see, I mean, you can make out a little bit of buffing compound, but a little check right in the nose, but nothing else. You can see that shine down the front fender on both sides. Oh, but the hood lines up. Very nicely. Another little blem right there. There as well. But I want to go ahead and pop the hood for you guys. So it's the Numbers Matching 350 L48 motor. They took it, built it up very nicely. So now it's, you know, 350 roller motor. It has the Edelbrock carburetor, Edelbrock aluminum intake, Edelbrock aluminum heads, valve cover, air cleaner, brand new master cylinder just installed. And if I had to guess horsepower, I would say probably around 350. So very nice, very comfortable. Just adds to the car. But nice, clean in here, detailed. You know, this is nice. This area is nice. Around there is nice as well. Under hood. Like the attention to detail with the paint, hood insulation, control arms. Both sides look nice as well. You can see what I'm talking about here. How nice that's finished. Headers, dual stainless steel exhaust. And again, it actually still has the serial number and the suffix and code for the Numbers Matching engine. Again, just cool. I've had that done one other time. But let me go in. I want to... Is this... Oh, it does have tilt. Okay. So it's tilt, I mean telescopic, but it's tilt and telescopic. Love the sound of the exhaust. Let me pause this. I gotta put this hinge down. All right, back to it. Little baby mark right there. There's a little baby mark right there. A little touch up right here, right on that edge. But the lower rocker molding definitely replaced when they, did the paint and body. Door lines up perfectly. That contour meets there. Bottom of the door lines up nice. Same in the door to the quarter. Lines up really nicely all the way down. Those match up nice. As you can see, a couple. This is coming off, but this is a little mark. A little guy, another touch up right there. One more on top. Again, no cracks in the glass. Nice fitment up where the T-tops are. One nice thing I like is that they left this here. It's cool. Door panels are in mostly nice shape. You can see a couple little, little blem, something that was touched up. A little blem right there. But the majority is actually a nice shape. Carpet's nice down here. Finish in the door, nice as well. It has new carpet that was put in during the restoration. Nice floor mats, that's why I left them in. Looks good in here. It was 72L paint. I don't actually know off the top of my head what that is. Leather seats are in nice shape. I did say tilt and telescopic already. No cracks in the dash pad. Nothing over here. These are new gauges as well when they did the work. Did put an aftermarket radio in. New gauges in here. The only thing is the tack reads off, but it works. But it's not accurate by any means. Console's in nice shape. Even back there. Down in through here on both sides. Kick panels are nice as well. And then I got some miscellaneous paperwork for the car. Edelbrock related booklets. There was something I saw, that's why I'm going from the back. Manifold. This is intake related. The aluminum heads. It's got an Edelbrock RPM roller camshaft. That was the other thing. I just wanted to read this before I mentioned that. Performer link timing chain and gears. Now here's something interesting. Auto Machine is the one that rebuilt it or did the work, and they actually roller lifter, rocker arm set they have down here. Timing set, rear main oil pan set, camshaft freight on purchase, push rod set. They built the engine in that Galaxy that I had. I clean block, recondition. Oh yeah, they did a total rebuild. Cool, all great to have actually, obviously. And then some other miscellaneous receipts. Those are the more important ones. Anyway, let's carry on. T-tops, visors, all that, awesome shape. Looks like they definitely replaced the, rear view mirror at some point. Weather stripping definitely replaced at some point as well, which is nice to see. Even in here in the door. So we'll continue. Little mark right there. If you look here. Really nice finish all the way around. One little blem that you see there. Little guy right there. This back section, really nicely finished. And then again, when you get in here and look at this back deck, no luggage rack, which is nice to see. Little mark right there. Little baby mark right there. Again, look how nice that door lines up. Where all the body lines meet. Sorry, a couple little water spots. A couple more little water spots right there. But there are a couple little nicks there. Again, no cracks in the glass. T-tops look great. Nice finish in there. See, just from the screw, keeping that door panel in. Door panel looks great in general. You could even see when I come in here how nice it is. Finish in there is nice. Here and up. Then I'll move this off the seat. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both things will be in the description of this video if you'd like to go ahead and check it out. 76 Corvette, maroon with black stripes, black leather interior. They did put a new windshield in during the restoration, which is nice. It does have its Numbers Matching 350 motor in there, which was totally rebuilt, and now 350 roller motor. You can see a little mark there, but again, how nice all that lines up. And that stripe to the back. Automatic, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, tilt and telescopic T-tops, stainless steel dual exhaust with headers, Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock aluminum intake, Edelbrock aluminum heads. And thank you for watching. We're gonna fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you.
tilt wheel.
Yeah, it's tilt and telescopic.
Telescopic, yeah. Nice and tight. Think borrowing a trailer from something?
I don't know.
Your door must be open. I think this deserves to go to Fullerton for a little stretching of the legs, as we call it. Right?
Yep.
Not even a rattle when you go over the bumps.
No.
I love that. Braking, steering, acceleration.
Oh, brand new master cylinder, yeah. Braking, steering.
Everything is